Okay, guys, here is the modified kitchen island. Plan view, looking straight down here are the posts. You can see over here, 8 inches by 8 inches, 4 of them. A panel in between, so this is going to be dead space, and about an inch and a half inset. From the corner of the post to the face of the panel, inch and a quarter. And countertop overhang, we don't have any dog bone. It's just square all the way around. So this is the side coming in from the arched entryway. So these posts, 8 inches by 8 inches, which would terminate at the floor. This panel, the bottom rail is 4 inches. We do the same thing here. And you can see the little step out. Panel on the inside, and then 5 panels across the back. Don't pay attention to the color here, but these would be panel, panel, panel on the face and on the inside. So the front of this post on the face, here's it's flush on this side. Just kind of a detailed view of how this would look here. And that's set in, should be an inch and a quarter. Yep. And there's some void space inside there, but you've got this island's large, so we can afford the space. And then the 5 panels across the back. And this outline here is the countertop. That's what we've got. Let me know what you think of this layout. And let's look at one from the front, actually. It's sluggish when it's in this view here. Yeah. Post, post, microwave. All right. Thanks, guys.